4th July is celebrated as a safety day in L&T across our project sites, across various locations, offices, workplaces, the arts, fabrication, manufacturing facilities, across everything whatever we do. And this is an annual event, and it serves as a good opportunity for us to remind ourselves for our commitment towards safety, the pledges we have taken, and reinforces our commitment towards mission no harm. As you know, L&T has been an institution built over 8 decades. And during this time period, we have gained the trust of our customers, our employees, and multiple stakeholders. And that trust has come because they expect us to do things in a certain way. And safety is very, very important part of it. And that trust has come because we have demonstrated our commitment to such strong values, and safety being a very important part of those core values. Now, as you know, we also employ more than 225,000 staff, and we also employ more than 400,000 workforce. Put together, we are holding responsibility for more than 2.5 million families. They are one way or the other connected to what we do. And we have taken the pledge, we have taken the oath to ensure that we provide safe environment to them. We ensure that all of them return back to their homes safely, and they are provided with adequate tools and processes to perform the work safely. I think that's the responsibility we have taken. And this responsibility and ownership starts right from the top all the way up to bottom. We look at the pyramid, it doesn't stop at the top of the pyramid, neither it stays at the bottom of the pyramid. It cuts across the entire organization. And that is what we talk about, ownership to safety. I think everyone has to take the ownership, and everyone has to take that ownership and act on it on an everyday basis. That's what one of the key messages. It cannot be somebody else's responsibility. You can't point fingers at anyone. If at all you have to point finger at someone, it has to be at yourself. I mean, that's the philosophy we need to follow. And that is how we are building this whole culture. I think we have done a lot as an organization, particularly in the last 12 months. We have created a very strong EHS department, which has got its own independence, led by very senior people and represented by various ICs. And that is how we were empowering them to promote safety within various businesses. We are, as an organization, also providing huge amount of resources, be it procedures, be it processes, be it tools, be it facilities, or be it technology. I mean, all that with being made available, access to this is being given to everyone, and that is how we are enabling the safety aspect. And also, of course, through the mission statements, right from the chairman and the vision statement, and including this in part of our core values, we are also creating the ethical aspect of the safety. I think this combination of enable, empower, and ethical way of doing things is what is going to build the foundation for driving safety across the organization. Now it's time for all of us to act and live up to our pledge, which we take on a daily basis. Not only just live up to the pledge, it means that on everyday basis, remind ourselves of our responsibility and act on it on a daily basis. It should become part of our daily course. It should become way of life rather than considering it as something which is a bolt-on to what we do. And in my view, it is very simple, because whichever way you look at it, every incident you look at it, it can be avoided if you would have followed a very simple process. Most of the safety is all about common sense, and that is what we should apply. And I think that is available in abundance with definitely an organization like L&T, because we are very, very talented, energetic people. So let's go for it. Let's remind ourselves of this thing on this particular day. Let's take this collective responsibility and ownership to drive safety. Let's ensure that the people who are working and the 2.5 families who are dependent on us remain safe. And let's build the organization to a very different level, and take this organization to a much, much greater heights by delivering very, very strong, profitable growth, but also safe performance. Launching this new branch, which is for Mission No Harm. We had this one before, but we have now a modified version of it. Small one, but a powerful reminder. So please use this and take this as a good reminder for what you do on an everyday basis to contribute to safety. Thank you very much.